What's up, guys? I just went down to Walmart and picked up this red Ryder Daisy BB gun. It's pretty cool. It's the 70th edition. And now let's open it up. Using the Codex frame. See if this is even cutting into it. I wish I had the box packaging, but they only had this cheap little, I don't know what it's called, but cheaper packaging, which kind of sucks, but it only cost $30. Oh, the plastic was all the way to the edge. That's why. You can get, if you just go down to your Walmart, and these are usually by the bikes section, like outdoor sports, and you can just pick one of these up. You might want to do it relatively soon, in case, I have my computer, in case they run out. They probably won't. They only have one left when I bought mine, so there's one left in the store. For some reason, there was no Walmart near my house, though. I had to drive 10 miles just to get one. I didn't drive, obviously, but my dad had to drive 10 miles to take me there and get it. Okay, I'm probably going to cut some of this out to save you guys some time. Or speed it up, I can figure that out, because it's really hard to cut. Open. This might work a little better. Yep. Well, this is pretty nice. Here it comes with this packaging. And intention notice: never leave full cocked before airgun fire. Something about that. Then just this owner's manual. Then, really got some packaged in here. Oh crap! The red Ryder, a lighting side, bad here. BB gun. Trigger's still a little stiff. Leather thing here. This is probably fake wood. Real metal, plastic here, little loader right here. It's kind of stiff. So, this is just the part one. I'll have this again after I use it for a little, just test it out, tell you guys how it is. So, stay tuned for the next part. What's up, guys? This is the part two of my Red Ryder. I've been shooting this for a while out in my backyard. I got a bunch of them. Hold on. Plastic little army guys to shoot at. Those are pretty good targets. So, after I've been using it for a while, it's pretty accurate. It's about 300 FPS. It says 350, but I don't believe it. As you can see, it's a pretty wide barrel for such a small BB, but that's what it comes with. And loading hole right here. No. BB's just gonna fly out. Guys, see that little hole? Can't get too close, but yeah. This front sight up here, I couldn't see very well through this because it was just kind of weird, so I painted the front red. Can't really see it in the camera, but it's red. So the handles are all wooden, all metal, except for this part. I'm not sure if I said that in the first part, but it's pretty accurate, pretty fun to shoot. simply aim like that. Safety is on. Safety trigger is right there. This isn't accurate for very far distances, but I'm not hunting with it or anything, so I just set targets about not too far away. Depends how big they are. This side's fully adjustable. It's kind of hard to adjust, but you just have to push this up a little. And well, this is the BB gun, and here's some pictures. Okay, well, those are the pictures, and well, this was my review on the Red Ryder Daisy BB gun. Well, thanks for watching, guys.